Welcome to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya. In this tutorial, we will be solving some of the SQL hands-on that were asked during the Cognizant internship. The title of the hands-on is Customer Mail Details. Now in this tutorial, we have to write a query in order to display the customer mail details. What we have to do, we have to give an alias as customer mail info. So we have only one column, that is customer mail info. And after that, we need to sort the result in ascending order, which is a common pattern in every question, I guess. For example, we have customer ID as cust001 and mail ID as mono@hotmail.com. So after writing the query, what we will get? We will get the column name as customer mail info, and then we will get the output as cust001, mail ID is mano@hotmail.com. Here for your reference, I have created one table that is customers, and I have inserted the record as well in order to show you the result. So I will do select star from customers. This will give me the data that is present in the customers table. So see, this is the table and we have the following records. Now what we have to do, we have to concat these two columns, that is customer ID and email ID. So I will use one keyword, that is concat. Then I will specify the column name in the brackets separated by the commas. So we have first column name, that is customer ID. Then we have email ID. Let's see what this will give me the result. So I will use email underscore ID over here. So this is giving me cust001 and the mail ID. But what we need cust001 mail ID is. So we need to hard code this value in double quotes in between both of them. So I will use single quotes and then I will specify the exact pattern that we need in the solution. So see, this is giving me the perfect result that we are actually looking for. Cust001 mail ID is mano@hotmail.com and we are getting the same. Now what we have to do, we have to give the alias as customer mail info. So this is giving me only one column and we are getting the actual pattern that we need as a solution. Now I will do the sorting. Whatever result that we have get, I will sort the result based on that only. So I will use order by in order to do the sorting. Then I will specify the column name. So order name customer mail info. Perfect. This is the query that we are actually looking for. If you will write this query, then you will get the full marks in Cognizant Hands-on. I hope the query is very clear to you now. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. I am happy to answer all your queries. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.